First trend that we've been seeing in the venture capital arena is that most VC investments are not being made by venture capitalists. The early stage investments are being made by angel groups and angel investors. Another trend that we have seen is that angel groups are increasingly sophisticated and are making more of the early stage investments up to a higher amount. These days, angel groups will put in anywhere between as much as $800,000 to $1 million in first round funding. That's a difference from what we've seen over recent years where the cap used to be around $250. The third trend that we've seen that's very exciting is that accelerators and incubators are coming back into vogue. There was a time when people were trying to make do with virtual incubators, which I characterize as kind of having a virtual relationship. It's much better to have it kinetic, tangible, in person, real life, and we're seeing much more of that over the last couple of years. The fourth trend, and one that we're keeping our eye on closely, is that we're seeing much larger investments in late-stage venture companies. So we have these so-called unicorns, the billion-dollar company that's still a privately held company. Interesting trend, but the last time we had this trend was just before the bubble burst in 2000. So we're keeping our eye on that very closely. One thing that we've seen over recent years that's very exciting to us is the increasing diversity among entrepreneurs. And what that tells us is when we have increasing diversity across all spectrum of early stage companies, as these companies grow, we're going to see increasing diversity among the management ranks. And that to us is a very exciting trend. The unique thing about the venture capital team at Phillips Lytle is that we get to merge our tradition, 180-year-old law firm, with cutting-edge technology, cutting-edge legal practices, and we create a platform that I think really helps our startup companies and our entrepreneurs move on to the next stage of development.